Columbia Hospital. Original section. They're going what should be an illegal demolition. Only reason it's happening is demolition by neglect. This is the 1919 section. I think there's someone in the building.
There's someone in the building?
I think so. I heard someone coughing and then walking around. And the crunch of building debris is a very distinct noise. Chicago bricks. Well, some of these get new life. Chinese commie block. Elevator bank. Original door that I didn't know existed because it was covered. Pile of steel. Shattered chimney. See, the construction's different. In the other buildings it's mostly brick, concrete, and tiles, but this one is just brick and concrete. It goes with the changing structural styles. These are actually different bricks. Those aren't Chicago bricks because those was built when they stopped making those. This part anyway.